हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। क्या आपके घर में एक तुलसी का पेड़ है? अगर नहीं है तो शायद से आपको इस वीडियो के बाद रखना चाहिए। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टेल यू द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ तुलसी एंड हाउ it has a deep spiritual connection in India. A big thank you to Luke Coutinho who had done the research on this and made a YouTube video. He is a health professional based in India and he is really amazing and he has many international clients. Indians का बहुत सालों से तुलसी के साथ एक स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्शन है और अगर आप पूरी इंडिया में ट्रैवल करो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि तुलसी ऑलमोस्ट एवरी रिलीजन में यूज होता है एंड इट हैज मेनी रिलीजियस बिलीव्स अटैच्ड टू इट but it has a lot of health benefits attached to it too. Pharmaceutical industries have done a lot of research on tulsi and they have got something interesting and they have found that there is something good in tulsi. और आप जो भी मेडिसिन लेते हो उसमें कुछ नेचर का एलिमेंट अटैच्ड होता है। हमारे एल्डर्स और एंसेस्टर्स के पास बहुत नॉलेज था और बहुत विजडम था, उनको हमसे ज़्यादा पता था नेचर के बारे में या सब चीज़ों के बारे में। और आज हम एक रिसर्च पेपर का इंतज़ार करते कि हम वो आने के बाद ही कुछ बड़ा एक्शन लेंगे। एंड आफ्टर द रिसर्च पेपर्स आर रिलीज्ड वी रियलाइज दैट द knowledge that they have given, we knew that already. So first we should try to listen to our elders first and check whether that it's true or not because they know much than us. प्रणव, ये तो सब हो गया, पर अब बता दो कि कंज्यूम क्यों करें भाई? हमें कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स हो गए या वैसे कुछ हो गया तो तुम्हारे पर ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आएगी ना सर। बट क्यों करें, बताओ क्यों करें? So it protects our organs and tissues from oxidative stress, chemical stress, and the impact of pollution from heavy metals, the things that get into us while we breathe, eat food, and the water we drink. The main reason we are sick today or have other diseases is because we are not healthy from inside. Our tissues are dying every single day. So the first step is not getting a good trainer or a good doctor, but it's to take care of your body first yourself. Take care of your body yourself. Tulsi is showing scientifically good abilities. That's the reason detox companies are using Tulsi in their products. Tulsi is the basis of Ayurveda and it's not a hidden fact. Tulsi is called the queen of herbs and also called the mother medicine of India. And it means that it is the fundamentals of all the medicines. You can take all the medicine in the world or all the treatments in the world, but if a body is really unclean, if your body is unclean from inside, nothing, and the impact of that radiation create a kind of negative impact on our muscles and cells. And Tulsi turning out to be wonder gift from nature, it reduces the impact of the radiation on our muscles. When it comes to memory or cognitive health, it is classified as potent adaptogen. Adaptogens are things that help us with stress levels. Stress creates various chemicals in our body that eventually kills us. Anything that can turn off a good gene and turn on a bad gene can cause a deadliest disease in the world. Today, people don't know how to deal with it, and with a slight change in our lifestyle, we can definitely do it. Today, doctors tell us to consume tulsi, but that doesn't mean that it will replace treatments and medication, but it can definitely change your life. The tulsi is antibacterial, used in sanitizers, mouthwashers, and this is the reason why pharmaceutical chases this as it is antimicrobial. Tulsi also helps in the betterment of the skin. It helps to reduce acne. In India, it was a habit of consuming tulsi 30 days before wedding by women. You can consume it directly by eating or you can make a paste and consume it. Cosmetic companies also have tulsi in it. If you have cough and fever, tulsi drops were given to children and adults to cure it faster. It is also used to cure malaria, dengue, indigestion, acidity, pancreatic cancer, and Luke's team has also done a research that it has shown results in reducing the size of tumor. प्रणव एक सवाल था कि कंज्यूम क्यों करना ये तो बता दिया, पर कंज्यूम कैसे करें वो भी बता दो प्रणव, क्योंकि हमें भी थोड़ा अच्छा बनना है, हमें हमारी हेल्थ बेटर करनी है. प्लीज प्रणव. There are many species of tulsis, so you can buy any one of them and keep it at home. जैसे पहले बताया था कि आप उसका एक पेस्ट बनाकर भी रख सकते हो या उसको डायरेक्टली कंज्यूम भी कर सकते हो. और एक सबसे इफेक्टिव तरीका है कि आप एक सिनेमन कार्डिमम सिनेमन टी बनाओ, जिसमें कि आप 5 से 10 तुलसी के लीव्स लो और उसको उबालो, उसमें इलायची डालो और उसमें दालचीनी डालो और उसको उबालो. It will really mean a lot if you all subscribe to my channel if you haven't, like this video and tell in the comment section कि मैं इसके बाद इस वीडियोस के बाद मैं कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ. ये कुछ नए आइडियाज़ हो जिस पर मैं बात कर सकते हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हो या मुझे सोशल मीडिया पर अप्रोच कर सकते हो. सो फ्रॉम टुडे कंसिडर एडिंग तुलसी इन योर लाइफस्टाइल. And to all of us who are willing to improve our health, connect with nature and live a happy life, to us I say you are one step closer in bringing a change. Until next week guys, I'll see you around. Bye.